So, today is a super exciting day. The book has arrived after 2 years of hard work with me and Jocelyn slaving away, writing this, and you as well, slaving away at this. The book has arrived in the post and I'm going to unbox it now. How exciting is this? This is super exciting. Cool. So this is our book. Psychedelic-Assisted EMDR, a memory consolidation approach to psychedelic healing, out with Routledge, available to pre-order. We're using the link below from the 27th of February this month. We cover how to integrate the 8 phases of EMDR into the format of psychedelic-assisted therapy. We have a focus on harm reduction and utilising EMDR's incredible ability to integrate material to enhance integration during psychedelic-assisted therapy. So yeah, go and pre-order now. Pretty damn chuffed about this. Really, really exciting. Cool.